no education. Everybody comes in and out of the room. And they're out of the room, they're in the room, they're out of the room. That's right. No one's happy. You know, they're not coming in with a pair of maracas, are they? Doing fucking bit of maraca and stuff. But you know what I mean? Don't you? You know well what I mean. But I ain't moaning about it or complaining about it or anything like that. Cause like, that's what it is, you know. You keep football, everybody keeps football. I don't want to rant and rave, right? At all. Fair enough, innit? Fair enough. And like you're going like, sorry, mate. You know, you're getting down now. And you look at the wall. And what does the wall say to you? Eye in the mirror, fuck off. There it goes. It's true though, isn't it? Think about it. Don't stall, man. I've got houses to build. me white noise. Understand?